here's how you can send a specific message to some person on some date in the future. How can you set that up on the iPhone? And let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course it depends on what exactly you're trying to do, but most likely we are stuck with the iOS shortcuts app, which can set that up. So you can get inside and essentially start a new shortcut, and from the actions you can see we have one called send message, and that's pretty simple because you essentially just choose the content of the message and choose a recipient, right? And that is going to be the shortcut. Like, you can set it up in advance, and now you can trigger it whenever you want, right? So that's like a shortcut. You can just send the message with the click of a button. But even if you want to, even if you want that shortcut to run automatically, we can also set up an automation. So we switch to that section and set up a new automation. So you can choose the time of the day. It's not like you can choose a specific date on the calendar in the future, but you can choose it to be, I don't know, every month at, I don't know, like you choose a specific date right here, right? But it's gonna keep on like repeating, so then you would have to stop the automation. But okay, at least you can set it up at least a month in advance, so that would work. Or another interesting scenario is like an alarm, because you can choose that when the alarm goes off on the iPhone, this shortcut will be triggered, right? And you can choose that I enable like a random alarm, which I have reserved for this purpose. And I could technically like enable the alarm, and I know that when it goes off, the message is going to be sent, right? So it would also work in a data sense. So yeah, another interesting option. So the only important part is that when you set that up, you basically choose that the shortcut is going to be run, the one that we just created is going to be triggered after the conditions we just set up, right? So if you do that, then at a specific time, the shortcut will be run, and it means that the message will be sent automatically to that person. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.